Okay, so it's the end of 2021. We did a bunch of this year. Let's look through everything we did. Well, this is the last video we're making, or that I'm making personally. Say, rip the dream.
Rip the dream.
I told her to say that.
What does that mean?
Bye.
Like my nails.
Ooh, amazing news. We got a package which should be 80% of the things that we're waiting on for the 350Z. Yes. All 2021, your favorite moment?
Celebrating our 5 years.
Haha, that's cute. That's cute. And if
cute.
you had one thing to say to them for this new year coming up, I'm putting her in the spot right now.
2022 is gonna be even bigger.
The Advent health. She doesn't even go there. What a fraud.
Stop it. I love you.
Somebody just gave me this? I not had she's working in a while. Pretty good though. That right there, the Santa Fe. We actually blew it up. Yeah, it wasn't a great moment in our lives, let's put it that way. But we can roll a clip. Hyundai Santa Fe, the almighty straight pipe car, just turns off, and whenever I try to start it, it clicks and it doesn't start. It's like back there.
No tan para adentro. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, Dios mío santo. Oh my God.
I'm gonna put 2JZ in it. Yeah, we're gonna skirt by here. No one saw anything. We finished rebuilding a G35 from Copart, and we also sold that car. Dude. That's the one, dude. Nice G, bro. Trumpet gang. Oh man, I feel really sad. He just hit me. Oh man, I think I'm gonna start crying.
Danny's not on the Infinity fam anymore.
Oh, there he got it. Oh, there goes the clutch. There goes the clutch. Yo, this feels nice. This feels nice. Over there, I believe that's a softball field, but my favorite sport of all time, the sport that I grew up playing in high school, and even a little bit of middle school, baseball. I'll never forget, the first season I ever played of baseball, I was the worst player in the team. It was my first season. A year later, I trained so hard and I trained so much and I was so addicted to it. I went from being the worst player in the team to single-handedly the best player in the team. And that was really the first time I ever experienced what hard work truly was like. I remember going to my front yard with my dad and just tossing and hitting and tossing and hitting and just making sure I worked harder than anybody else. And then the year after was my first year of high school and I made it to varsity as a freshman, which was a huge goal of mine. And the fact that I did that was like, damn, you work hard, you work harder than anybody else, work smart as well, and you will achieve things that you dream about. But obviously when you reach it, it's like, damn, I honestly didn't even know I could do it, but I did it just through hard work and dreaming, baby. Comment below one goal that you have for 2022. Don't be afraid to share it in the comment section. Everybody down there's really cool. I'm gonna be reading, commenting, hearting. We sold the lovely Twin Turbo 300ZX to a subscriber, which is still taking care of it, and it's absolutely amazing that he is. Christian, I'm gonna go drive him around for a little bit. Yeah, you can keep the camera. My baby. Super stoked. Take your time with everything. And let me know when you get home. Yeah, of course, of course. Alright, nice meeting you guys. See ya. Pleasure. Dude, I don't have a Z anymore. Oh my gosh. Now here's the thing, 2022 is coming up. I have a theme for this year and I want us to have it as a family. If you're watching this, it's a theme called Do Anything and Whatever You Want. Let's go back to the house and elaborate. Use this year to start the little side project you've always wanted to start. Use this year to maybe expand the side project you've wanted. Maybe make new connections at work. Try new things at work. Different ways of working and doing what you already do, but maybe better, more efficient maybe. Oh, I want to show you guys something real quick actually. How cool is that? Can't really show it too much because it's not a finished project, but it's pretty cool. Let's make 2022 count. Let's make it the year of the grind. Let's actually just go all out in 2022 and just make it the best year possible. 2021, hands down the best year of my life, and I want 2022 to be even better than that, and it will be even better than that. I'm happy that this is the final video of this year. So we bought a 350Z. Looks pretty decent for an 04. The only parts are We got invited by Nissan themselves to New York to look at the Nissan 2023 Z reveal live in person, film everything and share it to you guys on YouTube. An absolute dream of mine. Today we're going to see the new 400Z. Waited what, 12 years for this, and we're doing it. This is all I'm doing like the whole night.
Yeah, that's fantastic. What is this blue color called?
V6 twin turbo 400 horsepower 350. Let's go! Oh, there's a little button there.
That's the ejectocito, cuz.
It's just a Nissan Z. Let's go, I was right. And we're back. Don't worry about having the best thing. I need this to start. I need that to start. I need this and that, and everybody's doing it. It's so oversaturated. No, you're missing the point. The point is to start and see where it takes you. Everybody that is great at a certain thing, the first thing they did was start. The first thing they did was have an interest in that and just start. And if you feel like you've started, you've made something out of it, and you're stuck, it's a little weird to talk about, but this is real life right here. You sometimes fall into I want to say like a system where you constantly do the same thing. It might be something new, so you're making progress, but by doing the same thing for so long, you fall into the cycle of you're not really growing or improving. And I'm not gonna lie, I find myself stuck in that cycle a couple times. And that is why in 2022, I want to continue to break that cycle and create things that I want to create new things, not feel like I'm like in this little bubble of a certain content that I have to make. No, I'm gonna make the content that I want to make to the best possible level. I just realized that I look like a weirdo right now. There's people around me, but it's when I come out here and speak my mind. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't, but I have this passion and drive for YouTube. This is something that I've been wanting to do for the longest time. Like I grew up watching TV, but there was a point where I haven't had a TV in my room for years because I just watch YouTube, and I love it so much. And the fact that you guys have given me a platform, I am so freaking thankful, and we're gonna continue to keep growing from your guys' support, from God himself blessing me, from everybody that just supports me. Hey, yeah, it's my car, my friend. They have the same car. We achieved a lifelong dream of mine of putting a turbo in my Nissan 370Z. It looks like I'm in jail right now. I don't really know where this YouTube journey is gonna take me. I don't. I'm behind the bars right now. What am I doing? Why does it even get water? Let's kill it. We got this. Let's freaking go. For whoever's watching this, one thing that I've realized, and it's honestly what has kept me going, is every little downfall you have, every little hiccup you have, every little stagnant part of your life that you have where you feel like you're not making progress, you feel like you're kind of downward spiral. There's a perfect reason as to why that's happening. If it was so easy and anybody could do it and it was just like up, everybody would be doing it. That's why there's only a select few that have been able to pursue their passion and succeed with it. Because they never give up. No matter what, they adapt, they never give up, they figure things out. And even if they can't figure it out, they have the I'm doing this for 20 years mindset. I don't have to succeed tomorrow, next year, the year after. I'm doing this forever, baby. What's up, guys? My name is Danny. I'm 80 years old, and we're still here on YouTube. I'm cool with that. Brian, we just made a Chick-fil-A and subscriber. Let's go. Shout out to him for watching the videos. Let's go. This year has brought me a lot of blessings, but I don't want to dwell on the blessings. I'm thankful. I thank God for all the blessings, but I want to talk about a couple failures. This year I wanted to reach 100,000 subscribers. That didn't happen. Big L. That's okay. I didn't hit 100,000 this year, but next year we might make it 500,000. Everything happens for a reason. Everything is fine. Another very unexpected blessing in disguise. So I was randomly contacted by the company that produced Rust to Riches. They wanted me to come in the show as the fourth guy, to be like the young guy that wanted to do cool mods to the car and all that. Random. It was the most random thing of my life, but it was such a cool experience sitting down with like all these people, expressing myself and who I am and why I should get the role. I didn't get the role. Another big L. But that's that's okay. Here's the thing, blessing in disguise, because if I had gotten that role, I would have had to move to Texas, pretty much pause my whole YouTube channel, wouldn't have been able to tour with Brittany, wouldn't have been able to buy a 350Z, start the amazing build. If I had dwelled on that and just been sad and all that. I love you guys. Let's go into this new year with a freaking amazing mindset of we're gonna kill it. Don't even start the new year. I believe this is going live. This is my last video of 2021. But if you wanna start the 31st, start the 31st. All right, I love you guys. Peace, I'll see you next year. Let's go!